Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with the new Nissan Micra. This is the new 6th generation model, and as you can see it looks magnificent. We have a very cool funky design. Let me lock the car once again because I want to show you the welcome lights. So you see we have the wink welcome, very cool indeed. The length of the car is 3 meters 97.4 centimeters, less than 4 meters long wheelbase, large wheels, and the short overhangs. Very attractive look. Now if we move on to the rear, I love the attention to details. Just take a look at those beautiful taillights, similar pattern to the daytime running LEDs on the front. Then the lights are connected here with this black part. You also have the Nissan badge, and let me also show you the trunk. 326 liters of space in here. Now I will close the car. You see the indicators, very cool. And actually if you go away it will lock, and then when I approach it with the key in my hand it unlocks. And this is how it looks, the dual screen layout and the lovely seats. Now let's see it from driver's perspective. This is your view as a driver. The power button is here, so I will press it, car comes to life, and we are ready to go. Let's put on the seat belt. Here is your gear selector, very cool design and easy to use it. And let's go. So starting with the specs, this is the model with the 52 kilowatt hour battery, 110 kilowatt electric motor, so 150 horsepower, front wheel drive layout, all electric range of 416 kilometers by WLTP cycle. And this is one of the options. So you also have the option of the smaller battery, 40 kilowatt hour battery, giving you all electric range of 317 kilometers by WLTP cycle, and that one has 90 kilowatt electric motor, and of course also the front wheel drive layout. And we are now in the city. So let's also mention the numbers for the acceleration. 8 seconds to reach 100 for this model, and 9 seconds for the version with the smaller battery and less power. And the top speed on both models is 150 kilometers per hour. And if we go here to the home menu, you can see the Google Maps. So we have the Nissan Connect with Google built in, the Google Maps, Google Assistant, and Google Play. So huge thumb up from me. Easy to use the infotainment system and also impressive technology. The screen layout, the dual 10.1 inch screens, so the digital cockpit in front of us, and it's possible to change between different views. You can also have the map view here. This is a lovely layout. Then for example this view, you can have also, this would be like minimalistic. Then the classic dials, which I really love. And then this goes up, so you have power and charge meter. Drive mode selector is here on the steering wheel, so this car has got different driving modes, and you change various things when you change the drive modes. So for example sport, this turns to red, and also the configuration and the settings change. You can also have the perso, and I will show you now what you can configure. So you can configure driving, engine, steering effort, and vehicle dynamics. And you can also configure life on board, which would be ambient lighting or climate. Now the car has got different ambient lights, 48 colors available, and looks magnificent. So this is very lovely. Look at this. And yeah, we will put it to this. I think it's a lovely configuration here in front of the driver. Very cool dashboard design, follows the exterior design of the car. And also I must compliment the buttons. So you have the physical buttons for the AC, you adjust the air blower and then you adjust the temperature on those. You also have max, AC max, off, and yeah, this is really convenient. Let's put it to sport mode, and we have the pedals here for recuperation of energy, and of course instant throttle response. And this is the beeping sound, mandatory by law in all new cars in Europe. So as soon as you go just a bit over the speed limit, you do have the beeping sound, but here it's easy to turn it off because just press this twice, and now we've activated the My Safety Perso, which is basically the preset setting for the driver assistance safety systems. You can figure it out on the infotainment system before you even start driving, and then by pressing this twice you access the My Safety Perso, and the settings that you actually desire and want, they are set and turned on. So for example, in this setup we don't have the beeping sound. You can also change the drive modes like this, but then again you have the special button here, so both options are available. And let's also mention the charging. 100 kilowatt DC charging for this battery, 80 kilowatt DC charging for the smaller battery, and AC charging 11 kilowatt for both. This car is so much fun to drive, feels very nice in corners, and I love the instant throttle response. Let me show you the central console here, power outlet, electronic parking brake, and the auto hold. And Mount Fuji is here on this central section, so a very nice attention to details. Big thumb up from me. And I want to hear your thoughts. How do you like the layout here? How do you like the drive so far? I can tell you it's really fun and also relaxing. Indicator sound is very pronounced. You can actually change the volume. There are 3 options. Currently I have it on the loudest setting because I find the indicators sound quite relaxing in this car. Let's check out the pedals here behind the steering wheel. So now I will press it to the maximum, which is the 1 pedal drive. I will release the throttle. I'm not touching the brake. The car is slowing down. It will go to a complete stop. So you can drive with 1 pedal. And once you get used to this, I think you will really love it. And then also there are other options. So there are actually 1, 2, 3 and 4, fourth being the one pedal drive options when it comes to recuperation of energy. And that was it, the night drive. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. So thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.